The Murat Hudavendigar Bridge is located just 16 kilometres from Ayvacık along the old Ayvacık road to Assos, which was the main highway before the new one was built. This scenic route, passing through the village of Söğütlü, the outskirts of İlyas Fakir village, and through the village of Pashaköy. As you near Behramkale, the bridge will be on your left as you pass over the Tuzla stream, a kind of wide creek. The bridge is quite impressive and is named after the Sultan Murat I, also known as Murat Hudavendigar. It has been restored many times, and the last major restoration took place in 2016-2017. The bridge is 80 metres long and 3.5 metres wide, with 4 arches supporting the bridge, with 3 buttresses on the other side. The bridge is around 600 years old and is only wide enough for pedestrians and carts. Imagine how this might have looked as you crossed over it when Behramkale would have been in its prime, and how impressive the buildings on the hill opposite would have looked in that era. Behramkale is literally just a few kilometres away, and the bridge would have been along one of the main routes to Behramkale in its heyday. This early Ottoman period architecture is so near to Behramkale that obviously you should visit this if you're in the area. Oddly enough, it's well signposted from Ayvacık, but not so well signposted from Behramkale or Assos.